at me about cleaning my ears.
I thought you weren't supposed to use Q-tips.
You're not supposed to use Q-tips down in there, okay? I know.
Hold on, sir. Can you see it, honey?
You're not supposed to put anything smaller than your elbow in your ear. In your elbow?
Oh, I got his hair. Excuse me, darling.
It's just driving me crazy. Don't push it in.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my God.
Okay, thank you very much.
You want to come, my dear?
I've been thoroughly embarrassed.
I should turn it. I should turn to the other side, not the side with the...
You might need to check the other side, too.
The other side's fine. I'm fine, thank you. I just had a piece of cotton that came off the cotton-tipped applicator and stuck in my ear.
He doesn't like it when he's in the hot spot, guys.
You're right. I don't like being in the hot spot.
You can't even make eye contact with the camera.
Are you sure? Is there nothing in this here?
Go ahead. Might as well. Who knows?
Look at it.
Could be one of
Too
those
tall
days.
for me.
Is he clear,
It's so nice and clean.
Well, so
You don't have some allergy in
I clean my ears. Thank you very much.
So what's the lesson of the day?
Nothing smaller than your elbow goes in your ear, and don't put Q-tips in there either, and don't tell stories about how you were just trying to clean the outer part. If you put the Q-tip in there, just admit it. I put it in there. I admit it. I did it.
All right.
Have a wonderful day.
We're allowed to share his video on YouTube for the whole world to see.
Yes.
Is it okay if we share your video on YouTube for all of our followers and viewers?
Sure, if anybody really wants to see it.
And you can hear it pop, you start hearing, but the last 2 days is just solid,
Yep.
won't open up.
Well, we took a look in there, and you've got a cerumen impaction, and that's not a big surprise. That's happened to you once before, hasn't it?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to see if we can't relieve you of this impacted cerumen.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to take a look in here again, see if we can't do this for you. Can you see okay, little Gonzo?
Not really.
Go right there. Is it hurting any?
Well, I can feel it. Hearing a little popping.
Do ya? Well, we got a little piece right there. You got a big chunk coming out right here, my friend. Looks like a monstrous collection of cerumen right there. And let's see that again in slow-mo. Here we go, speculum's in, lighted, something's coming out. What could it be? An enormous, monstrous collection of cerumen making its way now out of the ear canal for you to see. There.
Hold on.
See that, Gonzo?
No, I can't see it. Hold on. Get up, 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 up. There it goes.
Yeah, there it is. You want to see it? Oh, man.
It's too short, but I do see you
I
getting.
can feel that. Oh,
Can you feel a little bit there?
Oh, man. Yeah.
It can be a little bit uncomfortable. We just got another big chunk out, though.
I think you can let this go.
Feels like it's hitting my throat.
Feels like it's going all the way into the throat there, huh?
Sorry.
Looks pretty good, Mr. Pepper. I'm going to give you a prescription for some drops to go in there to kind of calm that ear down a little bit, okay? You all right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Can you hear better out of that ear now?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
It seemed like a hair, but
So I decided that I wanted to try the nose hair waxing, and I've been told it's fairly painful, but you got to do.
I've got to put a lot of wax in there.
Okay. Ow. Okay.
That's our beautiful Sarah.
So now I'm learning what women have to go through that do this, and men too, but I think mostly it's women, right?
Yeah.
What I just saw was wax, right, honey?
I think
Yeah.
she's putting the wax in
I'm
first.
just putting it in. It has to dry before I can remove anything. Yeah, it has to harden a little bit. Especially up there and
Yeah.
in such a tight area.
Can y'all see his nose and hair?
I know.
What you doing now, honey?
I'm squishing it to make sure we get all those hairs.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh my goodness!
Oh, yes!
You are
Wow!
cruel!
Look at all that.
Look at all that.
Wow!
Looks like earwax.
Oh.
Do you want to save it?
No, I don't want to
Yes,
say that. That was.
Are you gonna do your second one now?
Yes,
or-
I don't have any choice now.
Wait, let me make sure there's not any. See, there's still some way up there though.
Yeah.
All the way up there. Do it again. Oh gosh. Do it all the way up there. But how can you?
That was stunning. That was stunning.
Your nose is red like.
Well, yeah, somebody just ripped all the hairs out of it.
Oh, I'm so glad you didn't cry, Pancho.
I'm crying on the inside, Jenny.
So
Okay.
your Jew's not home.
Are you gonna go? Okay, same side.
Yeah, but I gotta get deeper.
So glad we videotaped this for the whole world.
Yeah.
Do you have a cut up there?
No, I do have a little deviated septum, so some of the cartilage on my nose kind of protrudes just slightly on the medial aspect, and as a result, when you were, it's okay. It
Digging
don't-
up in there, it hurt you?
Yeah, it's no big deal. No big deal.
Ready?
I don't think one can ever really be ready. I think you just get it done. Get it done when you do it. You know.
Hopefully you just get it in one rip, but look at all that.
Is there more?
Yeah.
Gonna have to trim or what?
Part 2. Now we have to have the tweezer.
God,
Did you?
I'm
Have some
torturing
tweezers,
you for
tweezers,
real.
Yeah.
And we gotta get tweezer because the one way in the back, way up there, was not that easy to get out.
Is it not coming out?
Don't worry, it'll come out.
All right.
Wow. Oh, you got a lot more.
See, I
hair.
had
Wow.
to get way up there, so it's a little bit harder. Oh, jeez.
Yes.
Okay.
It depends on the size. It starts at.
My sympathy goes out now to all people who have this done on a regular basis.
How, does he have to get it done in a regular basis, honey?
It doesn't have to, but
Ooh.
jeez.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness,
can I
that
see that?
hurt.
Can I see that?
Oh my goodness, that hurt.
Oh my goodness.
Woo!
That was a good one.
He's
Oh my goodness. Okay, those are tears of joy I'm experiencing right now.
so next I'm gonna just put a little bit of Aquaphor up there on that side because you did have a little sensitivity there.
Did it bleed a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Achoo.
The things we do for beauty.
Of course. Wait till you see what women does for beauty.
God, look at that. Oh.
I know I'm breathing
Slowly
easier.
you're gonna get right here and y'all can see. Oh, those are all his hair. Okay, that little blood was just because of his irritation. His sensitive.
She was a little aggressive
Left
on
side.
that one side. Yeah.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
In your own words, tell us your experience with Meta 7.
Oh my goodness, I have a lot more energy, a lot more focus. I can go longer throughout the day without getting tired. I love it. I recommend it to everybody that I know.
Do you feel artificial? Do you feel like you've taken a stimulant of some kind when you take it?
No.
You feel
No,
natural?
Very natural.
No
I feel-
jitter,
no,
jittery?
very healthy, very natural.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I just reordered a 90-day supply. I have more energy, am in a better mood.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.